Plenty of trucks and dump trucks and some Jeeps and vans and little cars. But here's something you don't often see. 1996 Daihatsu Hijet, which is a Toyota mini truck, 4-wheel drive, 5-speed manual transmission, high-low transfer case, Difflock, and get this, a Scissorlift Dump. Clean unit, brand new tires, and that's how this baby looks. Has an aftermarket exhaust, complete exhaust. My mechanic says this is a $500 exhaust this thing has, and it sounds pretty nice too. So let me start it up and show you how this baby sounds with that muffler. Cold start, make sure it's neutral. 103,000 kilometers, about 60,000 miles. Fan and heat. So push button 4-wheel drive. High-low transfer case. 5-speed manual transmission. And Scissorlift Dump. So yeah, that muffler sounds good. It's not very loud, but let me push it up. It's not obnoxiously loud, but pretty sporty sounding. Very nice. So this is one of one. I haven't had too many of these. Had two, one is sold, this one is available. Grab this one as soon as you can, as this one won't last long either. Currently on BoekiUSA.com. If you have any questions, please let us know. Plenty of trucks to choose from, over 90 units in stock at the moment. Thanks again, catch you on the next one.